Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. Consider an abrupt PN junction. Let VBI is the built-in potential of the junction and VR be the applied reverse bias. If the junction capacitance is 1 picofarad for VBI plus VR is equal to 1 volt, then for VBI plus VR of 4 volts, what will be the junction capacitance? A. 4 picofarad, B. 2 picofarad, C. 0.5 picofarad, D. 0.25 picofarad. It was given that one abrupt PN junction and junction capacitance. Junction capacitance is also called as transition capacitance as well as depletion capacitance. Junction capacitance is given as 1 picofarad when VBI plus VR is equal to 1 volt. What will be the junction capacitance when VBI plus VR is given as 4 volts? Correct answer for this question is 0.5 picofarad. That is, capacitance reduces as reverse voltage increases. We will see this one. So the given information is, let us assume first case CJ1, junction capacitance 1 is equal to given as 1 picofarad. By that time VBI plus VR is equal to 1 volt. For the second case, what will be the junction capacitance if VBI plus VR is equal to 4 volts? First we should know the junction capacitance equation. Junction capacitance is nothing but transition or depletion capacitance which dominates under reverse bias. Under reverse bias, a PN junction acts as parallel plate capacitor, whereas the width of depletion region is nothing but distance between the plates. So we can write CJ, junction capacitance, is nothing but CT, transition capacitance, which is we can write it as epsilon A by W. W is width of depletion region, which is nothing but distance between the plates, where W is equal to square root of 2 epsilon V by Q into 1 by NA plus 1 by ND. We have taken it as square root because it is given as abrupt PN junction. So now we can write junction capacitance is proportional to 1 by W and W is proportional to square root of voltage. So finally we can arrive CJ is directly proportional to 1 by root V, or CJ is inversely proportional to root V, where V is equal to VBI plus VR, that is sum of built-in potential plus applied reverse voltage. Now it was given first case is CJ1 is 1 picofarad and VBI plus VR is 1 volt. Since it is CJ is inversely proportional, we can write CJ1 by CJ2 is nothing but square root of VBI plus VR2 plus square root of VBI plus VR1. That is first case, second case. So root 4 divided by root 1, that is equal to 2, which is nothing but CJ1 is equal to 2 times of CJ2. CJ1 is equal to 2 times of CJ2. CJ2 is nothing but 1 by 2 times of CJ1. Given as CJ1 is 1 picofarad, so half of that one is 0.5 picofarad. Correct answer for this question is 0.5 picofarad. Since capacitance is inversely proportional to voltage, as voltage increases, capacitance has to reduce. That is what happened. VBI plus VR previously 1 volt, so that you are getting capacitance as 1 picofarad. Now the reverse voltage is increases, so that definitely capacitance has to reduce. How much is nothing but 0.5 picofarad. So if we know that concept, we can eliminate A and B options, so that we will arrive at only 2 options C, D. Out of this one is going to be right. That one we have calculated it as 0.5 picofarad. Thank you.